Good morning, students. Welcome to English Kumar Bharti class. Children, today we'll be doing worksheet number 7. As you all know, we have already done with the part 1 of the worksheet. So today we'll continue with the part 2, and which is given at the back side of the page. And if you notice, you have one poem extract on it, and even one do as directed, that is the grammar topics. So we'll be starting with the extract first. This extract is taken from the poem, that is from unit 3, that is 3.1, Night of the Scorpion, written by Nizim Isakil. This poem is already done, my dear children. I have taken the extract from page number 101. Let us see from where does the extract start. It starts from the first stanza, that is, I remember the night my mother ... till fourth stanza, that is the last line, moved in mother's blood, they said. So let us see the questions given based on this extract and try to solve it. So here we are. Question number 1. Read the following extract and complete the activities. A1. Complete the following. The scorpion was forced to take shelter in poet's house to dash. Children, now we have to search the answer for this sentence. And the answer for this sentence is given in stanza number 1. Or you can see 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. So what was that? It was steady rain. So your answer will be to escape the heavy rain or the steady rain. Moving to the second one. In line number 3, the word him refers to. In the same stanza, I'm talking about the same stanza, that is stanza number 1, line number 3. There is a word which is him, and you have to tell me, or like we have to find him stand for whom here. So we know that 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. So who is him here? Of course, him is a scorpion here. So the answer is the scorpion. Third one. To paralyze the evil one in stanza 3 means. So we have to move to stanza 3. The last line, to paralyze the evil one, means you have to give the meaning of this. To paralyze means to stop. Okay. And here evil, we know who was evil here. That is the scorpion. So the answer will be to stop the activity of the devil, the scorpion. They in stanza 4 refers to. So let us move to stanza 4 first. And let us see where is they given. They is given in line number 4. They search for him. Now who are they? This word they is connected to our stanza number 3. Where we come to know who are they here. You can see stanza number 3, first line, the peasants, that is the villagers. And stanza number 4, fourth line, they is talking about the same peasants, the same villagers. So here the answer, the question as is that whom this word they refers to. So now we have come to know that this word they refers to the peasants. So the answer will be the peasants who had come to help. Okay. So I hope you have followed till here. Moving next to the question. A2. Explain why the poem begins with the poet remembering the night. So here what is being expected? You are being expected to write that the poem begins with the poet remembering the night. See the first line. I remember the night my mother. Yes? So that's what the question is trying to tell. That the first line is given in this way. I remember the night my mother. So he is saying explain why the poem begin with the poet recalling that night, remembering that night. So the answer is quite simple, because we have seen this poem, the entire thing, this incident of the biting, the scorpion biting the poet's mother took place at night time. And that's the reason why the poem begins with the line that the poet is trying to recall, that I remember the night my mother was stung by a scorpion. So let us see the answer. The answer will be, the poem begins with the poet remembering the night because the whole incident that is narrated in the poem took place in the night. As simple as it is. Moving to next question. A3, pick out an example of simile from the extract. You have to pick out any line, but from these 4 stanzas, because this is the given extract, any line giving the example of simile. Now my dear children, simile is very easy to find out. You just have to hunt for the keywords as or like. The moment you get the keyword as and like, and when there is a direct comparison between 2 things or 2 objects, that particular thing is considered as simile. So let us hunt in these 4 stanzas. Very first thing where we can get the keyword as or like. I guess I have got in the 3rd stanza. I hope I am right. Even you will get that. The 3rd stanza, first line. The peasants came like swarm of flies. So the keyword is like here, which is clear cut visible to us. And there is a direct comparison between 2 things. Let us see who are these 2. Number 1, the peasants, and number 2, flies, So how the peasant came? So like the swarm of flies, a group of flies. So that was a simile. Moving to the next. English workshop, A1 2 as directed. Write any 2 compound words of your own. So children, you have to write any random compound words of your own. First, let us see what do you mean by compound word. You have come across this word in your science, compound mixture. So compound mixture means, a mixture of one or more things. Yes, in the same way, compound words means a mixture of more than one word. So when you combine more than one word, that is 2 words, that is called a compound word. So let us see what we can write. Of course, you can write your own compound words, but here I am giving you mine. So number 1, understand. This word is made up of 2 words, under and stand. When I combine both, it became one, understand, which is considered as compound word. Number 2, everything, every and thing. Every is one word, thing is other word, but when I combine it, it become everything, which is again a compound word. So that was it. Moving to the next one. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. You just have to arrange it in alphabetical order. So the given words are speech, spontaneous, space, spine. So of course we know the starting first 2 letters are SP, 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 so that will be common. But then we have to see the 3rd letter, and we have to take that 3rd letter into consideration. So I guess 3rd letter will give preference to A. So the 3rd word, space, will come first because SPA. Then we will see alphabetical order is E. So SPE, that is speech. Then comes I. So we'll write SPINE, that is spine. And then is O. So we'll see that is SPO, one word, which is spontaneous. And in this way I have arranged these 4 words in alphabetical order. I hope you have followed it. Moving to the next one. Complete the word chain of nouns. Children, we have done this last week only, I guess. Or I guess this week, I'm not so pretty sure. And you know what are the 2 rules, basic rule of word chain. First basic rule is that you have to pick the last letter of the previous word, and with that same last letter you have to frame a new word, and you have to maintain the category given to you. So here the category given to you is noun. So let us pick the last letter of the given word, that is cosmology, and that is Y. So Y, with Y I have to search one noun. I can write ears. Now ears last letter is S, so I have to pick one word with the category noun starting with S. I can write scientist. In the same way, the last letter is T. I have to stick to the category noun, and I can write time. Okay, and the last letter of the word time is E. I'll pick that to frame my new word, balancing the category noun. So I'll write E for elephant. And in this way, I have completed my 4 word chain of nouns, and I've made sure I did not, imbalance my category. Going to the next one. Write the hidden words from the given word. Student, there is a correction in the question. It is write the given words from the given word and not words. So please cancel that extra S given. Also, the word is not given to you. There is a printing error. So please do write the word as a question. The given word is international. And now you have to form as many as words you can from the given word international. So my first word is inter. Mind it, I'm saying inter. So it's INTR, which I have brought from the word international. My second word is nation, again, which is derived from the word international. And in this way, my answers are inter and nation, 2 words. Moving to the last one, A5. He failed to appear at a conference. Rewrite using not. Children, you have to make this sentence negative. Now, what is the rule of negative? You just have to balance the tense. So he failed. Failed is given in past tense. Now you will bring some helping verb of past tense. We know we have do, does and did, 3 helping verbs. So here it is past tense, so I'll choose my helping verb did. So I'll write he did, and it is already mentioned in the bracket use not. So he did not appear at the conference. That's what my answer is, and I'll remove the word failed from there. So that's the answer is he did not appear at the conference. And you will not write appeared because you have already taken did in the past tense. So your main verb followed by did is always in present tense. So it will be he did not appear at the conference. I hope you have followed this. So that was for the day. Your worksheet is complete. Please do complete it and meet you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.